when I was listening to our Crushing It, we have a new Crushing It in Aesthetics. It's free. It's an expert interview series that Lou's going to try very hard to do every single month. It's very difficult for him to do that, but he's going to try very, very hard. Well, when I was listening to Ben White from Luminous, so Luminous is like the gorilla of lasers. They're the ones who sell lasers to, they have major market share, IPL and the whole 9 yards, right? So he was talking and I was thinking, oh my God, so there's so many things you can do, and getting ideas from your sales reps, even seeing if they have some budget. If you're going to do something super clever and they really get behind it, they might be able to give you some marketing funds. I was talking to a Revlon client who had no idea how to print brochures. Like, all these guys, they have a stockpile of professionally designed materials that you can print out. It's they provide it to you. You provide to them what you want to say about your practice. And you're featuring, of course, there's a catch, right? You're featuring their product or their device or whatever it is in your announcement for your special event. But in this case, like, Luminous is paying for everything.